Hey guys, what is up? It is Ashley. Welcome back to my channel, Uniqueen Fam. So, we are going to do an epic fidget haul of all of my fidget toys because why the heck not? So, the first fidget toy we have is one of the first ones I got, which is this cupcake unicorn. It's so squishy, it's lovely, it's fun. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Next we have our 11 squishy from Stranger Things, because we're cool like that. This one is probably one of my favorites. It is a unicorn puppet, and if you put it in direct sunlight, it glows, and it's really pretty. Then I have a sequin heart, a Rubik's Cube, that's Nightmare Before Christmas themed, cause why not? A squishy panda, which I drew on because the original design faded on it, so yeah, that's fun. A octopus puppet, and it flips inside out. It's beautiful. Except for when it didn't pop from the things. Awkward, why is there a mouse in here? I mean, I guess this is entertaining, but not a fidget toy. Got a worm. These things entertain the heck out of me. I don't know why. Love me and my worms. The peanut popper, that does not work. We got a needle, which I got in one of my previous videos. We have a pink Adopt Me egg, which has a pink cat in it. It's lovely. We got a safari egg, which has a meerkat in it. We got a banana popper, but I can't get the things to pop. How hard do I have to squeeze this to get the things to pop? I don't know. Got the two. So obnoxious, I love it. We have a farm egg, which has a swan in it? No, that's from Christmas egg. A chicken in it. There's a chicken in here. And of course, there's the chick egg, which has a chick in it. And I have my gumdrop needle. It's so satisfying when it like unsqueezes. I don't know how you say that. Okay. And I got the stress ball that I got in my recent video. Great. I'm dropping squishies. We have this little cat. very squishy, very satisfying. We have a piece of bread, because who doesn't eat a piece of bread? We got a hot dog. Moving on. Got a blue egg, which has a blue dog in it. We have a fish that has a hair on it. Beautiful fish. We have more bread because bread. We have an ice cream cone that looks like Marge Simpson's head. Tell me it doesn't. If this was all blue, it would look like Marge Simpson. Just, okay. Yeah, the chick egg over there. This is the safari egg, I believe. Yep, that has a meerkat in it. We got another pop tube. Pink. Purple. We got a pea popper. We got a super spotted. We have a big squishy. Apparently it's from 2018. That's old enough, I guess. It's not really that old, but like it's like 7 years old. More worms. More worms. We have Mickey Mouse. Puppet that looks like the waffle things. You know what I mean. I have a donut. It's a donut squeezy. Or plush. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. We have Piglet. We have a rainbow pineapple popper. A birthday cake puppet, because, yeah, it's somebody's birthday. We have one of these strawberry puppets. You squish all the things in and go like that, but it's kind of deflated, so. We have a Squeeze-A-Motor unicorn. She's so cute. Mochi. Is that what these are called? Mochi? I don't know. But it looks like it's a dog. We have a tennis ball that I got from work that I just dropped on the floor. Got this from one of those like toy things that they have in like grocery stores. So I got it from the one that is in my work. I have another squeezy popper. It's just rainbow. It's a square. I don't even know if this qualifies as a square. Maybe it's a circle. But it's not perfect. Does that make it an oval? We got another donut. And the icing is falling off of the donut. We got another puppet. Satisfying. I think this is another donut or a piece of bread with chocolate on it. Sure. Donut, donut, donut. More worms. More bread, bread. And a squishy ball that has been deflated. But it's still kind of fun to play with. More worms. And poop. And poop makes noise. That's odd. Another donut. Another mochi. I think this one's a pig. A heart. Because, yeah. I don't know what this one is. But it looks just like the sushi one. This is the sushi. This is a fidget spinner puppet. Oh, I'm good at this. I'm a pro. Also, it has different faces. That's fun. We've got an Orbeez ball. Another donut, another donut. Another thing. A Christmas egg that has a swan in it. A piñata, which you can squeeze. That sounded weird. Normally you whack a piñata. Another piece of bread. This is a croissant. Another piece of bread, I think. And then I have some mesh tubes that I made. Wow, I have a lot of fidget toys.